Imagine waking up one morning and finding an extra arm in your bed. No, not a horror movie prop, but a real live human arm. You'd probably jump out of your skin, right? After the initial shock, you'd be faced with a barrage of questions. Is it mine? How did it get there? Does it come with a return policy? This might sound like a scene from a bizarre dream, but let's entertain this thought a bit further. What if our bodies were like jigsaw puzzles? Parts could be detached, swapped, or even upgraded. It's a fascinating, albeit slightly unnerving idea. Imagine the possibilities. Lost a tooth? No problem, just pop in a new one. Tired of your hair color? Swap it out for a fresh batch. But as with any good thing, there are potential hiccups. Like, what if you misplaced an essential part? Or worse, what if someone stole it? So you've got an extra arm you didn't ask for. Do you A, call the police, B, call a doctor, or C, start considering the possibilities of a modular anatomy? Before you dial 911, let's delve into the science of a modular anatomy. Now, wouldn't it be something if we could swap out parts of our body like we do with a worn-out car tire? Well, science isn't exactly there yet, but we're making strides in that direction. Take organ transplants, for example. We're already replacing faulty organs with healthier ones. Kidneys, hearts, livers, you name it, we've swapped it. But it's not as simple as changing a light bulb. There's the small matter of organ rejection, waiting lists, and not to mention the small fortune it costs. Then there's the world of prosthetics. We've come a long way from the wooden peg legs of yore. Today's prosthetics are high-tech marvels, capable of mimicking human movement to a T. They're so good, in fact, that some athletes with prosthetic limbs can outrun those with all their original parts. But what if we could take this a step further? Imagine a world where we could just pop off a faulty part and replace it with a shiny new one. Sprained your ankle? No problem, just unscrew the old one and screw on a new one. It sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, doesn't it? Of course, this could lead to some interesting scenarios. Picture this, you're at a party, and someone compliments you on your arm. Thanks, you say, I got it on sale. Or maybe you wake up one morning and find that you've misplaced your leg. Honey, have you seen my leg? I could swear I left it here last night. Jokes aside, the possibilities of a modular anatomy are intriguing and potentially life-changing. It could revolutionize medicine and give new hope to those with disabilities, but until that day comes, remember to take good care of the parts you've got. So next time you lose a body part, no need to panic. Just remember to keep your receipt. Now that we've pondered the wondrous possibilities of a modular human body, we want to hear your thoughts. Imagine just for a moment that you could snap off an arm or a leg, a finger, or even an ear and replace it with something else. Now don't get too ahead of yourself. We're not opening a body part swap shop here. But seriously, if you could, which part would you swap out? Perhaps trade in those tired old legs for a set of super springy kangaroo legs, or how about swapping that non-thumb index finger for a Swiss Army knife? And let's not even get started on the endless possibilities of modular noses. It's a wild thought, isn't it? So would you trade in your pinky toe for a USB port? Let us know in the comments below. So there you have it, folks, the human body, not just a vessel, but a potential jigsaw puzzle. Imagine, one day you could trade your short legs for some longer ones to reach that top shelf, or swap your eyes for a pair of eagle eyes to spot your lost keys. We've taken a deep dive into the science of a modular anatomy, and it's clear that while we're not there yet, the possibilities are certainly fascinating. And hey, who knows? Maybe in the future we'll be exploring other body part swaps. Like, could you trade your brain for Einstein's? Well, probably not, but it's fun to think about. Remember, folks, science is a journey and we're all in this together. So, keep those gears turning, keep questioning, and most importantly, keep laughing. If you enjoyed this video, show us some love by hitting the like button. And if you didn't enjoy this video, well, show us some love by, you guessed it, hitting that like button anyway. So in the end, it all leads to that like button. Thanks, folks.